If you want to start using QuickBooks, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To look at the prior year in QuickBooks, go to Reports, and you can see here the business overview and the favorites. Now, click the three buttons on the profits and loss. Click Customize, and then select this year to generate a report period for this year only. And then just click the Run Report. And that's it. That's how you look at the prior year in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.